Hi guys, this is our next lesson on observation. So challenge 2. We have been experiencing a lot of change that is new to us, but the change from summer to autumn is not new, it's known to us. We know that we're in autumn because it's cooler in the morning and it's cooler in the evening. And it means that you need to get a long sleeve on and that it's a little chilly. Maybe you are wearing your slippers to keep your feet warm or putting socks on. This is a very good time for change. What happens with the cooler weather is not only the air cools down, but our soil cools down too. And things that would grow in hot soil can't grow anymore, but the things that can grow in cooler soil are very happy at this time, and they will start germinating. Okay, so germination is a big word, and what it means is that the seed will start to grow, and it will grow a radicle, a little root, and it will grow a plumule, which is a little leaf. Okay, so this change in season from summer to autumn brings about some amazing growth, and I want to show you here. So this is my vegetable book, and you can see all the amazing things that will start to grow when the ground is cool. I want to show you something else. So you are in my kitchen, my lab for today, and these are beans. They're black-eyed beans. Look at them. Very interesting. They've got one little black, well, not so little, a black spot, and they are called black-eyed beans. You know what this is. This is popcorn. It comes from a mealie. And there are straightforward beans. This is a gem squash. Have a look at that. I have cut this gem squash in half. There's the knife that I used. And if you look carefully inside the gem squash, you'll see seeds. Look at those seeds there. Okay. What I have done here is I have set everything out on a white sheet of paper. And actually it's on a white board as well. This is a white board. And I've put paper over it. And we use white paper in a laboratory so that we can see things more clearly. I want to show you some more from this book. I'm going to turn over the page. Look, I've used a spoon as a bookmark. So here we go. Here's some bean seeds. You can see the pod. There's the pod there. There's a pod over there. And inside the pod, we find these seeds. So we eat them, or some of them are kept and we can regrow a crop. That is going to be your challenge, your second observation challenge. I would like you to find at least 2 types of seeds or beans, and we're going to grow those. So if you've got this kind of vegetable, a gem squash, you can ask your mum to help you cut it open very carefully, unless you are confident with a knife, and you can cut it open yourself. You can use a butternut. You could, if you wanted to, you could cut open some fruit. So there's, I think it's a naartjie that's got seeds inside of it. Pips, we know them as pips. You could even cut open an apple to get the pips out of the apple. I want to use these because they are large and I will be able to see what's happening as they start growing. Okay, so if you've got some popcorn and you'd like to try some popcorn, if you've got some of these beans here, you will need to place them into water overnight. So I'm going to move these to here and you can see what I've done. In 3 containers, I have placed the black-eyed beans. Those are the popcorn. Oh, and I've got an ant floating in there. And those are the beans. Now you'll see, if you look carefully at those beans, you'll see that the jacket of that bean has started to split away from what's inside. That is the jacket, and when we put water into when we put these beans into water, the beans start to absorb the water and they swell, and they then break the jackets. The jackets split and they come off. The reason why we want to do this is so that our seeds, our beans, can be prepared for growing. So choose 2. If you're going to use dry beans or seeds, you're going to put them into water, cold water, and you're going to let them stand overnight. So this is the first video. You now need to go and look for seeds either in fruit or vegetables or dry seeds that you can use. Please ask your mum what you will be allowed to use. I will catch you on the other side of this.